Excellency, the French Ambassador to Fiji, Mr. Jean-Francois Ficho. I do acknowledge senior government officials and members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, Bulvanaka, bonjour, Excellency. It's my great pleasure to join you again today for this special handover ceremony of the timely humanitarian donation from the people of France to the Republic of Fiji. First and foremost, Excellency, I take this opportunity to thank you and your hardworking officials for your untiring efforts in mobilizing these 3 flights to deliver the much-needed tents to provide comfort for the many of the occupants whose homes were totally destroyed by TC Herald. Excellency, our 2 countries share a proud history of mutual cooperation, which has gone a long way in assisting our socio-economic development. I am grateful for our close collaboration on climate action through the historic Paris Agreement and our COP23 presidency and at several multilateral fora within the United Nations systems and the European Union. Your further support to Fiji through the daunting task of the surveillance of our exclusive economic zone has reinforced our security and ensured the protection of our natural resources and marine environment. Excellency, as Fiji recovers from the devastation of TC Herald, we are also in solidarity with the international community in addressing the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. The impact of the COVID-19 crisis extends beyond the sickness and death caused by the virus itself and demands a concerted global effort. As you may have witnessed, Fiji, like many others, has imposed drastic social and economic restrictions, shutting schools and businesses and imposing lockdowns and curfews. This is much more than a health crisis. Lives and livelihoods have been affected. Fiji, like other small island developing states, is trying to confront this threat in the most challenging of circumstances, but this has stretched our scarce resources to the limit, and therefore we are grateful for the support of France and like-minded development partners. As of today, we completed the 2nd phase of immediate response, having reached over 107,000 families with relief supplies in the declared disaster areas. Excellency, our focus now is on long-term recovery of the economy and the health of all Fijians. Fiji, or the government, is closely monitoring and working with financial institutions and businesses in various sectors to provide targeted support for affected Fijians. Excellency, again, on behalf of the Fijian government, the Honorable Prime Minister and the people of Fiji, I sincerely thank the government of the French Republic and the people of France for this kind gesture. And may I also acknowledge your kind words. I feel that Fiji is obliged to look after every nationality in the country, and we take that responsibility seriously, Excellency. And I'm thankful that through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs we have also been liaising very closely with the heads of missions during the recent challenging times, and of course that will be into the future as well. Let me assure you of that, Your Excellency. Excellency, to conclude, I again commend France's commitment and generosity in these trying times, and I look forward to many more years of rich and fruitful engagements. Vinag Valevu and merci beaucoup.
Just once? I took it white. But
to keep a social distance.